in the country. Ideas to innovation, enabling biotech ecosystem for startups in our country. Before going into the details of the presentation, first of all, let us try to understand what is a startup. A startup is a company or a limited liability firm which has a turnover of less than rupees INR 100 crores in the last 10 financial years. And what is a unicorn? Unicorn is an organization, is a startup company which is worth $1 million or above in size. It's very heartening to see that now, even in healthcare sector, we can see some unicorns. You might be aware of the Malbio, One Card are some of those examples. Before going to the details, let us try to understand what is idea and what is innovation. Idea is basically a new thing or new idea for developing a technology or a process which comes into your mind. But what about innovation? When you can take this idea, novel ideas to solve a consumer problem, to develop some kind of a value proposition, to create some value proposition, it is innovation. So from idea to development to implementation, there are two ways you can take it forward. You can either transfer your technology to an established company that we discussed in my previous presentation or previous discussion, whereas you can also look at adopt the startup or the entrepreneurial route for technology development. In this discussion, in this presentation, we are going to discuss primarily the startup route or the entrepreneurship route of technology development. Before we go into the details, let's look at some of the fun facts about the startup ecosystem in our country.